The bird's nest used to be. Let's go visit Mr. Chua here. And this is where his shop is now. What's up? There's the man Chua. What's up?
I'm break.
On break. All right, let's see what's his name. That's what he carries here. Pigeon medication. Was it not just for pigeons too? Everything else.
Chicken too.
Yeah, chicken too. Get my ass pulled into the bird's nest parking lot. I was like, oh shit.
Cynthia.
Yeah.
Yeah, we downgraded to a smaller shop, man. Should be getting some feed tomorrow.
Okay.
Stock up
Okay.
feed. We're starting on winter long.
So what do you carry here in your shop?
It's pigeon medicine, chicken medicine, supplies. That's basically it. No more light birds for a while.
Yeah, I think this is a better gig.
Yeah.
Supplies. Everything you need. Shipping boxes.
Fees this way, but we got a lot of fees. That's a dungeon right there. Yeah, we got off of fees. We going outside, man.
Try to go slow here.
Waste spawn in the first shot. There's something.
All right, come check out my man. What's the address here?
1323 Ping Avenue.
All right, come check out my man Chua.